Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English for English. In today's video, I am going to tell you 11 cleaning supplies vocabulary that are going to be of great use. First is broom. Example, I need a broom to sweep the floor. Dustpan. I need dustpan to collect dust from the floor. Dustbin. We throw dust into the dustbin. Wiper. A wiper is used to wipe dirt and dust. Scrub. I do the dishes using a scrubber. Mop. I mop the floor using a mop. Duster. I need to clean fan using a duster. Cleaning cloth. I wipe kitchen counter with a cleaning cloth. Cotton cleaning floor mop. I wipe the floor using a cotton cleaning floor mop. Spray bottle or a paper towel. I use spray bottle to clean mirror with a paper towel.
Now it's time to test. How far have you learned? This is a broom. I need a broom to sweep the floor. This is a dustpan. I need dustpan to collect dust from the floor. This is a wiper. A wiper is used to wipe dirt and dust. This is called as a mop. I mop the floor using a mop. This one is called as a duster. I need to clean fan using a duster. Now name this in the comment section.
Thanks for watching.